Many thanks, Mr. Ira Herrera, Commissioner Eduardo Bobok Domingo Jr., and Coach Leo Isaac. Last call to place bets, only tailwind. Horses in. Horses out, we have tailwind, gets away immediately. Down on the inside is Gold Cugat, racing in third, Gaia. Then followed by Wadialay Sing, and NC is the early trailer by about 7 to 8 lengths off the pace. Meanwhile, we've got tailwind by about 2.5 lengths. Gold Cugat now trying to get closer in second. Gaia is racing in third. NC now moving up to take fourth. And Wadialay Sing now racing in last. And it's still tailwind goes on by about 2.5 lengths. Gold Cugat still in second. 5 lengths away in third. Gaia, NC, and Wadialay Sing. And it's still tailwind by a length and a half. Gold Cugat remains in second. Gaia in third. NC is racing in fourth. And Wadialay Sing. Tailwind still in control by about 2.5 lengths. Gold Cugat still in second. And in third, Gaia, Wadialay Sing, NC. As they come down at the last 250. And it's still tailwind by about 2 lengths. Gold Cugat is on the outside, coming closer on the outside. But it's still tailwind by a length. Gold Cugat is on the outside. Wadialay Sing, Gaia. Tailwind still in front by a length. Moving up, Gold Cugat on the outside. Gaia, Wadialay Sing. Tailwind, Gold Cugat is on the outside. It's now Gold Cugat, tailwind, Gold Cugat, tailwind. And finally, Gold Cugat, tailwind. Gaia, then comes Wadialay Sing. And
1532.
Yes, only the second choice.